Ethereum value equivalent to $1588 a coin. The present reach: $1,586, $1,598. The earlier day close: $1,588. The change was 0.00%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at $1,646. Most extreme cost $1,707, least cost $1,471. The normal for the month $1,602. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,583, change for September 3.8%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. First and foremost cost at $1,583. Greatest cost $1,739, least cost $1,423. The normal for the month $1,581. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,578, change for October 0.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place cost at $1,578. Greatest cost $1,578, least cost $1,301. The normal for the month $1,464. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,399, change for November 11.3%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Initially cost at $1,399. Most extreme cost $1,437, least cost $1,249. The normal for the month $1,357. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,343, change for December 4.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at $1,343. Most extreme cost $1,483, least cost $1,289. The normal for the month $1,375. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,386, change for January 3.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. First and foremost cost at $1,386. Greatest cost $1,486, least cost $1,292. The normal for the month $1,388. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,389, change for February 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at $1,389. Greatest cost $1,526, least cost $1,326. The normal for the month $1,417. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,426, change for spring 2.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Before all else cost at $1,426. Most extreme cost $1,736, least cost $1,426. The normal for the month $1,553. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,622, change for April 13.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $1,622. Greatest cost $1,756, least cost $1,526. The normal for the month $1,636. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,641, change for May 1.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. To start with cost at $1,641. Most extreme cost $2,037, least cost $1,641. The normal for the month $1,806. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,904, change for June 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at $1,904. Most extreme cost $1,904, least cost $1,639. The normal for the month $1,802. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,762, change for July 7.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. To start with, cost at $17.62. Greatest cost $1,762, least cost $1,376. The normal for the month $1,595. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,480, change for August 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $14.80. Most extreme cost $1,837, least cost $1,480. The normal for the month $1,629. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,717, change for September 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at $897. Most extreme cost $1,114, least cost $897. The normal for the month $987. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,041, change for November 16.1%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. At the outset cost at $10.41. Most extreme cost $1,237, least cost $1,041. The normal for the month $1,119. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,156, change for December 11.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place cost at $11.56. Greatest cost $1,156, least cost $904. The normal for the month $1,047. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $972, change for January 15.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $972. Most extreme cost $1,014, least cost $882. The normal for the month $954. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $948, change for February 2.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2026. To start with, cost at $948. Greatest cost $1,177, least cost $948. The normal for the month $1,043. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,100, change for spring 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. At the outset cost at $1,100. Most extreme cost $1,365, least cost $1,100. The normal for the month $1,210. Ethereum cost